Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Favicon on WordPress website. You can see I have already opened WP admin panel on WordPress. Now I want to click on this appearance, then click customize. Now click header. Again, scroll down. You can see site title and logo. Scroll down. You can see this is site icon. Click. Then here is a Favicon add option. You just click add, then set up. For example, I remove this first, then click site add, then select your logo first. Then you can crop it and set your own way. Okay, now click crop. Now click publish. That's it. It's easy method. Thanks for watching. See you again.